Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Intercontinental Singapore, a luxury hotel located in the vicinity of Bugis and is part of the Accor group of hotels. The hotel is a short distance away from the downtown core area and Marina Bay. Given the historical significance of its location, the hotel has been renovated to reflect the heritage of the area, featuring tastefully distinct modern heritage furnishings and design. The hotel has a tower wing as well as a heritage wing, the latter of which appears to be closed for now. The 40 square meter Grand Deluxe room is one tier above the leading category room at this hotel. The room features a rectangular layout with the living and sleeping areas separated by a partition wall. Entering the room, we are greeted by the living area. There is a small padded nook to put on your shoes before heading out. A large regal wood desk sits just behind the sofa and TV, perfect for those who like to have the news playing in the background while getting work done. The leather-bound swivel chair offers a good balance of comfort and support. Just outside the bathroom is an amply sized wardrobe, with an iron and ironing board, bathrobes, slippers, and a safe. The spacious and well-lit bathroom features a single vanity with polished granite countertop, traditional separate hot and cold water knobs for the tap, and a black leather amenity box. Bath amenities are by Agraria. Next to the counter is a drop-in bathtub. Plenty of natural light is available for those who may want to catch up on a novel while soaking. There is a separate cubicle for the rain shower. And finally, the WC is in a recessed corner by the entrance. Heading back to the living area, we find a large 50-inch LCD TV, sitting opposite a 3-seater soft velvet sofa, along with a wood grain coffee table. Conveniently located next to the sofa is an oriental bar counter where you can find complimentary bottled water, an espresso machine, and pods. Underneath, there is a drawer of assorted TWG teas, as well as glassware for most types of beverages. There is also a mini fridge. Grand Deluxe rooms are found at either ends of the hotel tower wing and can face either north or south. Our room faced south, and we had a partially obstructed view of Marina Bay. On the opposite side of the partition wall facing the bed is another 50-inch LCD TV. Both TVs come with Samsung soundbars for more premium audio. The king-sized bed is on the softer side, but will still afford you a decent night's rest. Just above the headboard is a heritage-inspired motif. All in all, an elegant and well-thought-out room rivaling junior suites at other hotels. Now let's head out to explore the hotel facilities. The pool is located on level 4 of the hotel's tower wing. While serviceable, the pool features a resort theme from yesteryears that divulges the hotel's true age. It is also rather small relative to the size of the hotel. There is a sheltered, unheated jacuzzi beside the pool. Heading back towards the entrance, the gym can be accessed through the same doors to the pool. Just take a turn and descend a flight of stairs, one floor down. The gym is large and rather sparse, a likely consequence of social distancing. There's also a small multifunction studio at the far end of the corridor. The bathrooms in the gym also contain saunas. Lastly, the hotel features a grand, airy lounge that serves fine afternoon tea. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Grand Deluxe room at the Intercontinental Singapore. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.